What's up guys, PyPop101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to get weapons to return back to your hand after throwing them and squeezing your controller's grip, just like this Magic Dagger of Ra mod that I made for U9. It is super simple guys, all you want to do is open up Nexus Mods and download my Mjolnir mod. After you've done that, you can go to your finished weapon. In this case, I'm going to be using my Switchblade, just for purposes of this video. Now we can also open up our Pi Mjolnir, and all you need to do is copy this module, PyReturn.PyReturn, PyReturn. Make sure you have the open and close bracket along with the comma, and paste it into your Switchblade, into your weapon that you made. Save it, and that's it. All you need to do is have this module in your item JSON, along with having the item activation mod as a requirement. If you have both of those, when you throw the weapon and you squeeze the grip, your weapon will come back to you. Now, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton, and I would be extremely grateful for it. Now, if you haven't already, definitely check out the Discord link in the description, along with the Patreon if you want to support the channel. With that, thank you for watching.